In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add GoDaddy email to Outlook, how to add My Workspace email to Outlook on Windows. Before we start, make sure you're on the Windows desktop version of Outlook and that you have your GoDaddy email address and password handy. If your account has multi-factor authentication, keep your phone or authentication method nearby so you can approve the sign-in when prompted. Begin by opening Outlook. In the upper left corner, select File, then choose Add Account. This opens the setup window where Outlook can connect your mailbox using its built-in auto-discover service. Using this path ensures Outlook applies the correct secure settings for your GoDaddy hosted email without you needing to enter server details manually. Next, type your full email address exactly as it was provided to you, including the domain, and select Connect. Outlook will try to identify the correct service for your account. You might see the window change a couple of times while it checks for the best way to sign you in. This is normal and only takes a moment. If you're asked to choose an account type, select Work or School account. This option is designed for business or organization managed mailboxes, which is the right fit for most GoDaddy email plans on Windows. Choosing this helps Outlook route authentication properly and keeps things secure. When the sign-in box appears, enter your password and proceed. Use the same password you used to sign into your email on the web. If you see a Stay Signed In or Remember Me option and you're on a trusted device, it's fine to allow it. It will reduce how often you need to authenticate. If multi-factor authentication is enabled, follow the prompt that appears next. Approve the notification in your Authenticator app, enter the code from a text message, or complete whichever verification method your organization uses. These prompts can be time sensitive, so respond promptly to avoid having to resend a code. Once Outlook confirms the account has been added, select Done to finish. Your mailbox will appear in the left pane, and Outlook will begin syncing your messages, calendar, and contacts. The initial sync can take a few minutes, especially for large mailboxes, and you'll typically see your most recent emails appear first while older items continue loading in the background. If something doesn't look right, like repeated password prompts or no mail appearing, double check that the email and password were entered correctly and ensure you completed any MFA step. Keeping Outlook up to date also helps resolve unexpected prompts. That's it. Your GoDaddy email is now connected in Outlook on Windows and ready to use.